of the trip. Is this your first time doing this show? Or have you done this before? Here we are. We just arrived. It's very loud because of the rollers. This is our working space. Oh mon dieu, c'est trop hot. C'est un vrai TV. En fait, j'ai jamais vraiment été sur un... Es wird so 2 Meter am Durchmesser. So hier, das geht schon. Francis is not happy because we went straight from the airport to come here and there was no time at the hotel. So basically we took our first flight this morning at 8 and now we took 2 flights and we came straight here. We're all sweating, we want to take a shower and we have to perform for the rehearsal. So I think Francis is not very happy right now. But he's smiling, it's good.
Ist super, ne?
Hay piedras en nuestro camino, pero el amor sobrevive. Julia, te recuerdo, nunca olvido lo que nos hemos jugado cuando tú te fuiste. Julia, te recuerdo, nunca olvido. Hay piedras en nuestro camino, pero el amor sobrevive. Julia, te recuerdo, nunca olvido lo que nos hemos jugado.
How did you feel now? Do you feel less stressed after this great training we just had?
I don't know.
It's always the same thing. I feel in these videos we always talk about the same problem. The floor. So you always come to a place and the floor is always different. You never know what you're gonna get. It takes it takes time to adapt and we never really have enough time. So that always makes a little stress, right? And here we have the additional stress that the stage goes right into a swimming pool. So if we fall off the stage, we fall in the water. Which is better than falling into the audience, I think. Oh?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to be in a YouTube video?
Yes, please. Salut.
Well, so after this long day of flying and rehearsing, we're finally in the hotel. This is my hotel room. Pretty nice room. A double bed. I have a balcony. Ooh, nice. Oh, so I can choose between a bath or a shower. Oh, even a robe. Awesome. Oh, nice. This is a good room. I'm very happy about this. Happy, happy, happy. So now quick shower, and then we're gonna go for dinner.
Oh,
match. We look how we did this greatly. We're going out for dinner tonight. Look how pretty. Good morning, good morning. This is the set where we're shooting today. It is very early. It is 8:30, I think. And It's nice outside. It's warm. I'm wearing shorts.
We're facing the
ocean is right
Atlantic
there.
Ocean.
Look.
And our stage is right there.
Our stage is right there. We're performing right next to the pool on a little tiny corner. That is for us. And it's actually really nice to see like everybody's arriving on set at the same time. So people are like building up their cameras and preparing everything and the costumes and the makeup, and we're just waiting, hanging around, having a coffee and getting ready. There's a general this morning, and then there's the show this afternoon, and then there's a party tonight. TV stars. That's what we are today, TV stars. Amazing.
But only for one day.
Only for one day.
That's the pool I want to swim in. Isn't she beautiful?
I stole my cup from the hotel. So I just have plastic cups here and I wanted a real one.
Yes, she did.
Der mich ausmacht, das Gold im Grau dieser Hauptstadt. Was ist auf meinem Mixtape? An Tagen, wo wieder mal nichts gibt. Der Falsch will mich endlich gleiten, lässt du mich runterbringen zwischen all dem Stress.
Du bist der Punkt, an dem ich mich drehe. Du bist der Grund, dass ich noch stehe. Du bist der Antrieb, der mich bewegt. Du bist doch der, wenn wirklich gar nichts mehr geht.
Also Achtung bitte, wir starten mit der Generalprobe und es läuft bitte niemand mehr rum. Vielen Dank.
This is the final look. We're still gonna fix the lips, but all the rest.
I love it. It's
Not paella.
paella time. Okay.
J'ai hâte en fait, j'ai vraiment hâte, j'ai envie. But we're about to go on stage. It's stressful, this whole experience. It's like people telling me, no, go and wait and do this and costume and food and everything's very hectic. But I'm very excited also. I think it's gonna be nice performing outside, in front of an audience,
In the sun.
the sun, next to the ocean.
Okay. I'm gonna see.
Aus Montreal zu uns in den Fernsehgarten gekommen. Lea und Francis, das Duo Unity.
Cheers to that. You would like champagne or champagne?